All right, here we go again. Another update on Vicksburg Court. Yeah, we pretty much cleaned out a little bit more of this brush out here. Where I'm running behind schedule here. Like I said before, problem with contractors, so I had to find a whole new crew, and that took up a lot of time. But we're moving along. You know, we're getting a lot of stuff done. It's just slow. It's a slow process, but we're working. Um, we got a lot of these lights, the recessed lights in now. Um, Plumbing, we did a lot of plumbing. We rearranged this kitchen, so you see it's a whole new setup here. We had to run new pipes. Some of the old pipes busted, so we had to replace them with PVC pipes. And everything is set for the new setup, the new kitchen setup. I got a great plumber, and he's doing a great job, and I'm really thankful for that. As you can see, we got electrician did his work, put in fire detectors and the can lights and stuff like that all throughout the house. Yeah. So next step now is pretty much just getting the sheetrock and all that stuff, the texturing and the painting. We got you see the plumber ran the new setup. We're gonna put a new tub, a new shower on this side. We're gonna change that window as well. But the plumber has done his job. Electrician pretty much did his job. He still has a few things he has to come in and take care of. But we can start framing and not framing, painting and sheetrock and patching up these walls and sealing and stuff now. So that's the next project. That's the next part of the project, I should say. Yeah, we got a shower. We built a shower down in here. Put the tub down. Framed up a lot of this stuff. Changed everything up. We're gonna put we moved the washer and dryer connection. So basically, right now, we're just waiting for the walls. Here's a shower basin. This project is a lot. For my first flip, I took on a big house, and it's no joke. But you see, here's the room I told you we're gonna frame up. We framed it up. Got a little closet. We're gonna put all new sheetrock in here, and we're gonna get it, where it's supposed to be. Right now the place looks a mess. It was worse than this. Got a little, we started ripping everything up, man. You get a little nervous and like, man, what have I done? But you just got to persevere and complete your goal and your vision and push hard, man. But before you get into this, you got to have everything in order. You have to have strong credit so that you can leverage. You leverage your credit so you can get supplies. You can put all of that stuff on your credit because I'm pretty sure I'm going over budget. My original contractor gave me a great price, but he bailed on me. So now I got to go find new people, and they're not giving me those prices anymore. So I'm gonna go way over budget, but I'm gonna have to put some of that stuff on my credit cards and go with it and try to hopefully get my money back when I sell the house. But that's part of this game, man. You just gotta have know what you're doing, man. Know how to manage everything, and hopefully everything works out. But yeah, this is the stage I'm at right now. I'm ready to start putting up the sheetrock and painting, and hopefully the next time I put something up, post something, you'll see pretty much finished product. Yeah, this is Vicksburg Court, John's Galore Incorporated. My first flip, man. First flip. I'll keep you guys posted. I'm out, man. Let's get it.
So young and gay, you don't know.